The Madhya Pradesh government has launched the Brindavan Gram scheme and Geeta Bhavan project, focusing on cultural and spiritual development. About Brindavan Gram scheme, the scheme aims to develop selected villages in Madhya Pradesh into cultural hubs modeled after the spiritual and cultural environment of Brindavan, enhancing tourism and cultural heritage. About Geeta Bhavan project. Under this project, a dedicated complex named Geeta Bhavan will be established to promote the teachings of the Bhagavad Gita, serving as a center for spiritual learning, meditation, and cultural activities. Boost to tourism and spiritual awareness. Both initiatives are aimed to promoting spiritual tourism, fostering cultural awareness, and creating economic opportunities for local communities through increased footfall of cultural engagement. UNESCO co-organizing the 2024 Chief Science Advisors Roundtable in Paris. Global participation. The roundtable will bring together 28 countries and 6 international organizations to discuss open science, bridging knowledge asymmetry, and building science advice capacity globally. Hybrid format. The event will take place in hybrid format at UNESCO headquarters in Paris, allowing for both in-person and virtual participation. Enhancing science advisory mechanisms. The roundtable aims to enhance global science advisory mechanisms, building on the initiative launched during India's G20 presidency in 2023. Uttar Pradesh government plans for a Vedic 3D museum in Varanasi. State of the art museum. The Uttar Pradesh government has announced plans to build a 3D Vedic museum at Varanasi at Sampurnanand Sanskrit University in Varanasi, focusing on Indian astrology, astronomy, and Vedic literature, cutting edge technology. The museum will utilize 3D and virtual reality technology to showcase ancient Vedic knowledge, making it an innovative project. Showcasing Vedic evolution. The museum will highlight the evolution of Vedic literature, including the 16 Shankaras and 64 arts and 18 Vidya Sastras, emphasizing the university's role in preserving Vedic heritage. Telangana and Tamil Nadu are leading in gross state domestic product growth among the largest states in India. Highest GSDP growth rates. Telangana and Tamil Nadu have recorded the highest growth rates in GSDP among the largest Indian states, driven by robust performances in key sectors such as services, manufacturing, and information technology. Economic diversification and investment. Both states have attracted significant domestic and foreign investments due to their diverse economies, business friendly policies, and infrastructure development, which have contributed to sustained economic growth. Impact on national economy. The strong GSDP growth in Telangana and Tamil Nadu enhances their economic contributions to national GDP, positioning them as a key drivers of Indian overall economic expansion. Indian President Draupadi Murmu has approved the constitution of 23rd Law Commission, which will be responsible for review existing laws. The commission will examine the review existing laws to identify areas that require amendments, reappeals, or new legislation to keep pace with changing social needs. Legal reforms proposals. It will provide recommendations for legal reforms to improve justice delivery system, enhance access to justice, and ensure the laws are effective, fair, and in line with contemporary realities. advisory role to the government. The Commission will serve as an advisory body to the government on complex legal issues, promoting legal awareness and public consultation in this process. Ayushman Bharat has launched Vishanu Yuddha Abhyas, a pandemic preparedness drill under the One Health Mission interdisciplinary approach. The drill brings together healthcare professionals, animal husbandry experts, and environmental scientists to simulate a pandemic response. Real time scenario simulation. The exercise simulates real time pandemic scenarios, enabling officials to access and improve their response strategies, enhancing emergency preparedness. The drill aims to strengthen India's emergency preparedness and response to future pandemics, ensuring a unified and effective approach to public health crisis. Calibrated to boost farmers' income and revolutionize agriculture, the Union Cabinet has approved seven comprehensive schemes with a total outlay of 14,235 crores. Digital Agriculture Mission. This schemes aims to improve farmers' lives using technology with a total outlay of 2,817 crores. Crop Science for Food and Nutritional Security. With a total outlay of 3,979 crores, this initiative prepares farmers for climate resilience and provides for food security by 2047 year. Strengthening agriculture education, management and social sciences. This scheme has a total outlay of 2,291 crore and prepares agriculture students and researchers for current challenges. Sustainable livestock health and production, aim, aiming to increase farmers' income from livestock and dairy. This scheme has a total of outlay 1,702 crores. Sustainable development of horticulture with a total outlay of 1,129 crore. This scheme aims to increase farmers' income from horticulture plants. Launched the newest global ambassador for L'Oreal Paris. Alia Bhatt joins a diverse roster of spokespeople like Viola Davis and Kendall Jenner. Empowerment through beauty. Alia Bhatt's role as a global ambassador will focus on promoting female empowerment and inclusivity values she shared with the brand. Global influence. As a producer and entrepreneur, Alia Bhatt Global's platform will help shed light on Indian cinema and push for inclusivity in the film industry. Campaign debut. Alia Bhatt will star in L'Oreal Paris campaigns starting September 2024, bringing her unique blend on talent and influence to the forefront of the brand's global presence. IIT Delhi's Abu Dhabi campus is a significant milestone in institutional global expansion. Strategic location. The campus is located at Zayed University in Abu Dhabi, offering a unique opportunity for IIT Delhi to tap into the Middle East growing demand for high quality education. Master's program in energy transaction and sustainability. The Abu Dhabi campus offers a specialized master's program in energy transition and sustainability designed to equip professionals and scholars with the skills to navigate the energy industry's transition to sustainable practices, collaborations, and alliances. The campus has established strategic alliances with prominent Abu Dhabi universities, including Sorbonne, Sorbonne University, Abu Dhabi, Muhammad bin Zayed University in Horticulture Intelligence, Khalifa University, and Zayed University, facilitating joint research, educational initiatives, and staff and student exchanges. Finance Ministry to sell 6.78% stake in General Insurance for 4,700 crores. Finance Ministry plans to sell 6.78% stake in General Insurance Corporation of India for 4,700 crores. The stake sale aim to meet government's disinvestment target and will be conducted through an offer for sale route. The transaction is expected to be completed soon. Agri Sure Fund launched by Union Agriculture Minister Sri Shivraj Singh Chauhan, 750 crore fund to support agri-tech startups and emerging agripreneurs, boosts agriculture sector, encourages innovation and empowers farmers. Launched with Krishi Nivesh portal, an integrated agri investment portal for easy access.